What is data quality in an e-commerce business? The business will have a set of attributes, specifications, and other schemas that define each product. Product data quality is the extent to which product information is continually truthful, complete, and clean. Why is data quality important? On average, poor data quality costs companies between 15 to 25% of revenue. The US economy loses $3.1 trillion a year due to poor data quality. Poor quality customer data is costing UK companies an average of 16% of their annual revenues. How does poor data quality impact your business? On average, half of all organizations believe at least 26% of their data is inaccurate. And this would affect their economical growth, brand reputation, and customer loyalty. Law and regulation. As per the Product Information Report, Schott Farm Survey, 40% of consumers have returned an online purchase in the past year specifically due to insufficient product information. More than 90% of consumers have abandoned an online shopping cart due to incorrect cost or delivery time information or poor product descriptions. 87% of consumers said they would be unlikely or very unlikely to make a repeat purchase with a retailer that provided inaccurate product information. But how can there be data quality errors despite adhering to the best practices? It can happen due to manual data entry errors, OCR errors, ambiguous data, duplicate data, data transformation errors, lack of complete information. It is the responsibility of business to maintain its data quality by designing an adequate data governance system with the help of IT. Data quality architecture. Data entering into DQ engine would be first profiled to assess the quality on multiple parameters. Based on the data issues, data quality could be maintained or rectified by enrichment entering missing values, cleansing data with quality issues, and standardizing data to conform to a set of consistent standards. Once these DQ processes are followed, output data is free from DQ issues and good to be migrated to MDM system for implementation. Data quality tools market. The key players who cover almost 90% of the data quality space are Informatica Data Quality IDQ, Talent DQ, SAP Data Services, TIBCO DQ Suite, and Atacama DQ Analyzer.
For demonstration, we have used a tool called Data Cleaner. In our case, we are analyzing customer records. Let's look at the source customer data, which has been loaded into the DQ engine from various external systems. The current data contains customer attributes such as name, address lines, phone, email, date of birth, and other relevant attributes. Of all these attributes, we need to identify the key attributes for which DQ analysis needs to be done in order to assess the correct quality of data. The screen visible here is the Data Cleaner dashboard to do the required analysis. We have taken into account the following key attributes to assess quality based on certain business requirements. Date of birth should be in format DD, The phone numbers should be a valid US phone number in standard format. Email should be a valid email address. Zip and states should be valid US zip and state codes. And in here we are checking for missing mandatory attribute values. The mandatory attributes in question are first name, last name, company name, zip, phone, email, and date of birth. And this case we are checking for address completeness so that post could be delivered at the given addresses. Address line 1, state, and zip are the mandatory attributes. Based on these business requirements, DQ profiling should be performed. When we execute this job, we would get to know the current state of data. The DQ analysis result can be viewed when we execute the job. As we can see here, with respect to completeness analyzer, there are 3 records for which one or more mandatory attribute values are missing. The next analysis is for state validity, and we find there are issues with 2 states, LL and Illinois. LL is not a valid state at all, while Illinois though is a valid state but not standardized to ISO 2 format, which the other state values are conforming to. Then we move on to zip code analysis, where we find three invalid zip codes, which are visible over here. Next, we move on to analyze the validity of email addresses, phone numbers, and date of birth. In case of email, we see issue with one of the email address where domain name is missing. In case of phone numbers, there are issues with 4 phone numbers whose values are not up to the mark. As we can see here, 3 are junk values, while the fourth one is a valid phone but not conforming to 10-digit US phone number format as the other records do. This needs to be standardized accordingly. Lastly, we have issues with 3 of the date of birth values. The expected date of birth format is MMDDYYYY, whereas we see here in first two cases the date format is DD/MM/YYYY, while the third one is missing date and month values. These dates need to be standardized as per the requirement. Finally, we move on to address completeness analyzer, where we find that there is an issue with one of the address records. We see here mandatory field zip is missing data. Thus, we see how important DQ profiling is for an organization to make important business decisions after assessing the quality of data. A good quality data can ensure shorter implementation cycle of major projects and improve users' understanding of data. Thank you. The DQ job visible here is the one where we have fixed the data issues found in the profiling stage. Data issues can be rectified in 3 ways: cleansing, enrichment, and standardization. In our case, we have followed these methods wherever applicable. When we execute this job, we can see a number of output files getting generated with respect to the attributes. Zip codes have been rectified here based on zip reference table. Both the states are now valid ones. DOB values have been standardized. Email now contains the domain field. And phone number is also in standard format as expected. This makes our DQ process complete, where we have first identified the data quality issues and then rectified as per the client's business requirement.